Welcome to the Intradyn AOS 6 to AOS 7 migration tutorial video. Migration is the process where files are transferred between AOS versions on the Intradyn archiver. Before we begin migration, there are a couple prerequisites that must be met. First, the existing 6x archiver must be updated to at least version 6.14. Second, there must be an available 7x archiver to migrate to. It is recommended that this archiver be fully updated before beginning the process. Starting with the AOS 7 archiver, log in as the administrator. Navigate to the Maintenance tab in the top menu, then click Migrate from version 6 in the side menu. Here you will find a migration key. Click the copy icon next to this. Switch to the AOS 6 archiver. Navigate to the Maintenance tab on the top menu, then click the Migrate to version 7 on the side menu. Here you will paste the previously copied key. Click the blue Add Migration Peer button. You should see your 7x machine added with the system displaying a success message. Switch back to the 7x machine. Here you will enter the IP address of the 6x machine you're migrating from. Once complete, click the Start Migration button. You will be automatically forwarded to a system status page detailing the progress of the migration. Refresh this page if the information doesn't appear shortly. You can also visit the system status page to check on this process. Clicking the magnifying glass icon next to the migration will show details such as start time, tasks completed, and current status. You will eventually see an alert appear during the migration. This is the system needing review and permission to continue. When you have read the details, click the blue Continue button to proceed. If desired, you can return to viewing the process details. You will eventually see this list update as the migration completes. This process can take a while depending on the amount of data migrated. Once complete, you will see action required to stop the old 6x machine and resume fetchers on the new 7x machine. This concludes the AOS 6 to AOS 7 migration tutorial. For more help articles and tips, visit support.intradyn.com.